Hi, everyone. I'm Aneri Shah, product marketing lead for the WhatsApp business platform. As Shane mentioned, we're making it easier for partners to scale and bring more businesses onto WhatsApp with updates such as the Cloud API and improved onboarding. One of the partners that we have seen have great success with this is Zendesk. So I'm really excited to have Mike Gazzo, their SVP of product at Zendesk, to chat about how they were able to empower their customers and make WhatsApp accessible with no setup costs to all Zendesk users with these changes. Hey, Mike, welcome. Can you tell us a little bit about Zendesk and your role there?
Hi, Neri. Good to see you. So I'm the SVP of product here at Zendesk. And for those of you who aren't familiar with Zendesk, we're a customer service and sales software company that makes it easy for businesses and customers to create connections. We power billions of conversations and connect more than 100,000 brands around the world. What's unique about Zendesk is that we've created a solution for building, delivering, and managing lifelong customer relationships through meaningful conversations, whether those happen on text, messaging via mobile or web, or through popular social messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp. We've been partnered with WhatsApp since 2019, with the joint goal of making business messaging more impactful and accessible to all customers. WhatsApp has consistently been one of our top channels, and we're seeing growing demand for customer experiences through the channel. In fact, according to our annual research report called the CX Trends Report, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app used by companies, with the number of support tickets on WhatsApp rising by 101% in 2020. Messaging channels increasingly have the highest rates of customer satisfaction, and that's very promising to see.
Wow, we love to hear about those rates of satisfaction. So we recently launched the Cloud API, with which our goal was to abstract away all of the infrastructure maintenance, making it easier for partners to onboard customers faster, scale more easily, and then focus your resources on differentiated services and solutions. Zendesk was a beta partner, and you've had access to the Cloud API for several months now. So can you tell us a little bit about what you saw in the beta?
Sure thing. On-premise hosting can be costly and often requires process-heavy and time-consuming complex logistics to manage platform updates. So we welcome the opportunity to migrate to the Cloud API to provide a simpler, more cost-effective way to serve our customers. And we plan to move all of our WhatsApp accounts to the Cloud API in the coming months. We saw benefits in a few key categories. Number one is there were cost savings that we could pass on to consumers. Number two is we freed up our engineering time for other efforts. And number three is that we're seeing that businesses are being able to send more messages due to higher throughputs on this API.
That's amazing. Can you speak a little bit more to some of the cost savings and the ROI that you saw from using the Cloud API?
Sure, and it's pretty dramatic. With Cloud API, we were able to cut 100% of activation costs for WhatsApp users and pass those savings directly to the customers. Now businesses only pay per message or conversation. This allowed us to bundle WhatsApp into our suite of services, which increased WhatsApp adoption among new Zendesk customers by 300%.
Wow, that's an incredible result. And that's actually exactly what we set out to do by introducing the Cloud API, enabling you to grow your business with WhatsApp and spend less of your time and energy on hosting.
That's what we've seen. Of the customers who've migrated onto the Cloud API, 90% of our engineering time and effort was eliminated from infrastructure maintenance. So our engineering team can spend time making it easier for businesses to get value out of WhatsApp.
That's great. Our goal is that setting up WhatsApp only takes a couple of clicks, just like sending a message. And so that's why we also recently launched some onboarding improvements with the goal of reducing the friction, the time it takes for businesses to onboard onto the WhatsApp business platform, and making it so that they're able to start messaging customers immediately. Can you share a little bit more about how this new onboarding flow helped you as a partner?
Sure. Enabling businesses to get started on the platform was a big pain point for us, especially with all the policy checks and business verification that businesses would have to complete before they could even start testing. With the improved onboarding flow, they no longer have to complete business verification to get started, which has significantly reduced the initial friction. So we've been able to onboard more businesses faster than ever before.
That's really great to hear. And along with updates to certain onboarding checks, we've also provided increased messaging limits from the get-go. Has this enabled businesses to do more?
Yes, especially for use cases such as responding to support questions from customers or answering queries about new products. For example, these can be performed immediately after onboarding. So not only can the customer test, but they can start fully using the platform for certain use cases.
And I can imagine just how helpful that is to Zendesk. So, how has this helped you support businesses looking to use WhatsApp?
Absolutely. Previously, we would get escalations around not having accounts verified. The new onboarding flows enabled us to unlock businesses immediately, and it's reduced the initial escalation cases by 60%. We can now focus less on escalations and more on delivering features, exactly what we wanted.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Mike, for sharing all of these valuable insights with us. We really appreciate your partnership in trying our new products, and we're excited for more partners to be able to scale and grow on our platform with these new products, the Cloud API and improved onboarding. Thanks so much for taking the time to chat with us today.
Thank you.